I know what you're thinking. When does Bagger Dawn sleep? Don't worry about me, folks. I get plenty of sleep. The time is 3:26, June 14th. Last night we showed you an attack, if you will, on oil. We went long on oil. That trade paid about 1500. Remember, all of these are scalable. You can always put on more contracts. Tonight, it was gold. 103 minutes ago, gold gave us a perfect setup. The time was 1:46. Followed up within 4 minutes later that the 5-minute went. That trade has paid us $1,000. Thank you very much, and we're taking that profit. You can see that although yesterday, and it was yesterday, that the indices were being artificially held up in a very, very tight range. We had a pretty good indication that we're probably going to break down out of that range. And unfortunately, folks coming into the market at 9:30, 10 o'clock, much of this damage may have already occurred if they had any hopes of exploiting it. That's why we're here. And you can see what's going on. Now we'll come back. This video is limited by YouTube to just 10 minutes. And the quality is not nearly as good as what we provide our members. We have our own hosting company, and the high definition videos we provide are much, much better. We do recommend that you put your YouTube video and select the high definition option. We're once again scouting out the Russell. This is the entire swing machine looking at the markets that we are trading this week intraday. And when we set up our dashboard, here's the Russell now, right here. Boom. Breaking down. M for murder. And then here it is. Yes, it wasn't a point and figure uptrend. It's on defense. We think this will get taken out. We think this will get taken out. And by the time 9:30 rolls around, we'll probably be down in here. And quite honestly, folks, we will be able to get our little nap in because we made $1,000 on gold, thereabouts. Not saying how many contracts we traded. And we're going to have a pretty good move here. If you like this sort of approach to the market, you're more than welcome to call me. I'm Bagger Don. I'm not a broker. I'm not a broker. My phone number is 813-758-8263. If you are a like-minded person and want to take control over this part of your life, we're here to try to help you. I can promise you one thing. We're going to work harder than you. If you can just work half as hard, you're going to do very, very well. I work 80 hours a week, so I don't have to work 40 hours a week for somebody else. Now, we have a Jumpstart program. The cost of that Jumpstart program is about $1,500. But I'll tell you what, if you commit yourself to it, complete it successfully, and you want to lease this radar, the swing machine on your computer, I will apply the full cost of the Jumpstart program toward that lease. I think it's quite a deal. But you got to make a commitment. There are 20 trading days in a month. $200 a day. And our earnings come in batches, but just $200 a day over 20 days is $4,000. You saw us last night trade oil for $1,500. You've seen us trade tonight gold for $1,000, and we're in this trade short on the indices. Once again, I'm Bagger Don. 813-758-8263. We're going to post this video now, but notice the time on the 5-minute. 2:10 a.m. Short and Russell, 2:10. The ES, 2 a.m. up 337. NQ, 1:50 a.m. on the 5-minute. And the Dow, 2:10. The sell programs came in at 2 a.m. to 2:10 a.m. These positions may very well still be short come 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. This is how we maximize our time. Again, don't worry about my sleep. When we go to work, we go to work. We love what we do. It is not about just pushing buttons. There is a skill, there is an art, but we have a tremendous jump on everyone else the way we use our technology. So feel free to give me a call.